Still alive and still working on stuff. I am re-recording all of the Tom Ogle video because the full script was not... I hated it, okay? It wasn't me. Y'all watch my videos, the script was way too just dull. But I have been working on trying to get an intro video, which means since I can't do that, I am asking AI to do it. So here are 5 options. You tell me which one you like better, and we'll go with that as an intro.